Nurture your world, naturally. Inspired by nature, designed for life, crafted with care, respecting our planet. Love protected, future secured. Because what you love deserves the best protection. Reliable coverage, family first, affordable plans, peace of mind. Bold today, secure tomorrow. We've got you covered. Z cares, Z protects. Live bold, live free, live Z. Protect what matters most. We've got you covered. Reliable coverage, family first, affordable plans, peace of mind. Life is unpredictable. Your protection doesn't have to be. Z cares, Z protects. Life is precious. Protect what matters most. Z Insurance has you covered. Reliable coverage, family first, peace of mind. Live bold, live free, live Z. Big dreams deserve bigger protection. Z Insurance covers what matters most. From your biggest ambitions to everyday adventures, Z cares, Z protects, live bold, too cool for worries. With Z Insurance, we've got you covered. Reliable coverage, family first, affordable plans, and peace of mind. Live bold, live free, live Z. Whatever's cool with you, we've got you covered. Live bold, live free, live Z. Z cares, Z protects. Scan to get covered today. Dream big, we'll back you. Covering your journey wherever it leads. Z Insurance is here to protect what matters most. Live bold, live free, live Z.
Welcome to Z Creamery, where fresh dairy is pure goodness. Discover our selection of fresh milk, artisanal cheese, and creamy butter. And indulge in our handcrafted ice cream, made fresh daily. Experience the joy of pure, wholesome dairy.
Simple ingredients, extraordinary flavor, made better with Z. Fresh, wholesome, and delicious every time. Cook, share, enjoy. Adventure awaits. We've got you covered. Travel's great until it goes off track. Z Travel Insurance gives you peace of mind. Plan today. Travel worry-free. Beyond perspective, into possibilities. Imagine differently. Create more. See differently. Think bigger. Create impact. Build tomorrows. Every story is unique. Every future matters. We've got you covered. Life is full of possibilities. With Z Insurance, you can live boldly, knowing you're protected today and tomorrow. Bold coffee, pure experience. Introducing the Z Mocha Pot. Crafted for rich aromatic flavor, premium quality and durable design. Z, bold coffee, pure experience. Z Coffee, coffee that stays with you. Rich in taste, true in every moment. Crafted from 100% Arabica beans, Z Coffee delivers a rich and smooth experience. Z Coffee, your moment, your way. Life is unpredictable. We make sure you're covered. Confidence today, security tomorrow. Live bold, live free, live Z. Bold flavor, pure satisfaction, made better with Z. Crisp crust, rich toppings, unmistakably delicious. Z Kitchen, cook, share, enjoy. Small steps today, secure tomorrow. Protect what matters most with Z Insurance. Reliable coverage for your family, affordably. Z cares, Z protects. Every face is unique. Every future matters. We've got you covered.
Reliable coverage, family first, affordable plans, and peace of mind. Live bold, live free, live Z. Protect today, secure tomorrow. Z Insurance Rights. Reliable coverage, family first, affordable plans, peace of mind. Life is full of possibilities.
Beyond imagination, within you. Dream, visualize, become.
This soup really sparks the imagination.
It's like a whole world in here.
That's the power of curiosity.
Exactly, shaping tomorrow.
Beauty grows with vision. Cultivate imagination, live differently. Z, inspired by nature, crafted for impact.
Beyond what you see, discover more. Vision refined, possibilities unveiled.
Bold coffee, pure experience. Smooth, refreshing, unmistakably Z. Rich and bold, ice-cold refreshment. Premium quality, perfectly balanced. Z, premium audio crafted for clarity. Built to last, with pure sound and Bluetooth 5.3. 10 hours of playtime and sweat resistant. Beyond the surface, beyond yourself. Identity isn't given, it's discovered. See differently, think deeply, live authentically, leave a mark.